Welcome to Drawlipart channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to block a number or contact on Android. Now the first thing you have to do is open your phone app. Now here you can see a unknown number, and if you want to block this number, just tap here, then tap on this icon. Here at the bottom you can see block option, then just tap on block, then tap on block again, and it's done. Now the number is blocked. Here you can see a icon, that means the number is blocked now. Also, if you want to block a contact, then just tap on contacts. From here choose the contact that you want to block. If I select this, then tap on this icon. From here tap on more, then tap on block contact, then tap on block again, and it's done. Now you can see the number is blocked. Also, if you want to unblock this number or contact, go to phone app again, then tap on three dots, then go to settings. From here tap on block numbers, and here you can see the number or contact that you have blocked. If you want to unblock this number, just tap on this minus icon, and it's done. Now you can see the number or contact is unblocked. And that is how you can block a number or contact on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.